Frog and Toad, a friend. Story and pictures by Arnold Lober. Context. This is the story of spring. Frog ran up the path to Toad's house. He knocked on the front door. There was no answer. "Toad, Toad!" shouted Frog. "Wake up! It's spring!" "Blah!" said a voice from inside the house. "Toad, Toad!" cried Frog. "The sun is shining! The snow is melting! Wake up!" "I am not here," said the voice. Yeah?
Tell me more sounds.
Dig. Pull.
So it says pen. So it says
6.
close your eyes. Open.
Map.
Map. Okay, close your eyes. This is a jet.
J.
Jet.
Jet.
Yes.
Land.
Yes.
M.
Yes.
Let's the mop. Mop goes top a dog. Ball fell is away.
I like to chew gum. I like to chew gum and hum. My mom has gum. She gives me some.
Take.
Yes, take this. Wow. How about flake?
Take the lorry. Take the car.
That's right.
Take the aeroplane.
Wow. How about flake? Flake. Flake. Yay! Sue gave the stew to Lou, who felt like new.
Had a boat.
And then?
Boat could float. Here, her boat has some rope. The rope has some soap. John also has a goat. The goat has a dirty coat. You steps into the plane. The plane sails down the runway. Gale gains a lot of speed. Lift up, 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 up. I am way up into the air, says Gale. I need to stay warm because they love to swim in the Arctic Ocean. The water temperature are very cold too. Good night, Frog. But Toad, said Frog, I'll be lonely until then. Toad did not answer. He had fallen asleep. Frog looked at Toad's calendar. The November page was still on top. Frog tore off the November page. He tore off the December page, and the January page, and the February page, and the March page. He came to the April page. Frog tore off the April page too.